Hi. Ungrateful children. Oh no. It's horrible. It's awful. I know. Why does it always have to happen to us? Sally, Jessie, Raphael, Lulu. What's wrong? Sister Mona, she's gone. Be grateful. Why? What? Sister Turnbach is here. Hi, I am Tiki La Bomba, and today on our show we are talking about ungrateful children. Our first guest is a single mother that just had enough. Let's welcome Sally Harry. Sally Harry? Hi, Sally. Please sit down. So I hear about your daughter being ungrateful. What's her story?
Well, as you can see, good hair is a gift. For example, I'm really treating her. Well, she keeps on complaining of her head being really small. And, well,
Okay, well, let's talk to Angelica Harry. Let's bring out Angelica Harry. You don't even know me. Stop it. Hey, Kiki.
Hey.
Up. Sit down. So, Angelica, I hear that you have been having problems with your hair. Tell us about it.
Well, first off, look at this. It's a rat's nest. And where can I get it from? Come on. Look at it. Old school.
Oh. What do you feel about this, and the way she's acting?
I think this is perfectly fine.
Well, I know that you have another daughter, and let's get her side of the story. Again, Harry, please come out. Hi. How are you?
Good.
So, Jacket, what's your story? How do you feel about your sister's way of acting?
Well, I don't really get into it. I try to stay out of it. It's not me.
That is good. Hi, audience. That's great.
Woo!
That's good. So, Sally, isn't there something that you want to tell Angelica?
Yes, and that's very interesting. Well, Angelica, little did you know that your sister is also.
Okay, now to commercial break. Oh, anyway, be grateful, be grateful, be grateful, be grateful, be